So, diverging lenses behave differently than everything else we've dealt with. They're diverging, they behave similarly, ray traces look the same. The difference between diverging lenses and everything else that we dealt with is that the object has to be located within the focal length. If it's not within the focal length, then no image is going to be created. If you put an object over here, the rays are not going to gather at a point. They're just not going to reach there. So we need to be able to put an image in the focal length, okay, in order for an image to appear. So that's what I have here. I have my image, and I have my two focal lengths, and I have my lens. Okay, cool? So the first ray is going to start here. It's going to be virtual. It's going to hit the top of that. And it's going to come out parallel. Okay? Cool? And then I'm going to send a parallel ray from here. So here's the first ray. Here's the second ray. And that one is going to hit that focal length. Now, you really don't even need to add in the third ray when dealing with divergent lenses. As you can see, if you can draw those back, you end up getting an image right here. Cool? So I'm drawing those back, and obviously I drew a poor job on that one. Drawing it back. So it does this. So shouldn't have done it in the dark one. So here's, retrace that. Here's one ray going in, go into here. There's another ray going here, coming out like that. Okay? The two rays that I'm really only concerned about when dealing with this. I'm going to draw it back using the blue. Okay? And I get them to cross at a point. Okay? Cool? So they're crossing over here. So what we get is we get this, and it's a real image. Or not a real image, sorry, it's a virtual image, but it's right side up, it's not inverted. Okay? So it's the same equation over 1 over object plus 1 over image equals 1 over both. Exact same equation. You end up getting, which is going to be image of object. You get the exact same thing going on. It doesn't change. Okay? The only thing that's different is in order to get an image, a vert has to be within the focal length. If not, it's over here, and those rays diverge, and you never get them to converge again. Okay? So that's the basics of optics.